The value panel installation begins. Pre-cut to architectural and structural requirements, the value panels and mortar are delivered to the job site ready to install, which expedites the installation process. ETONG value panels can be installed with a 3-man team and a crane operator, which saves on construction costs. Placement of the first value panel, always a corner, is critical. Once placed and checked for plumbness, the corner panel is temporarily braced for stability and safety. After the first value panel is installed, the team proceeds with installing the rest of the value panels according to plan. The edge of the next panel on the pallet is mortared with a sled box. The lifting clamp is placed at the end of the panel. As the panel is lifted, it rotates to a vertical position. While the crane moves the panel to the specific location, a member of the installation team trowels the base mortar bed. The panel is lowered and set in place. Once the value panel is braced, the clamp is removed. An experienced 3-man team can install value panels at the rate of 3 to 4 minutes per panel. The value panel system cuts construction time in half, installing up to 20 square feet per panel. The crew uses a rubber mallet to adjust the panel into its final position. One of the many advantages of the ETONG value panel system is demonstrated by the ease with which panels are installed at window and door openings. The first jamb panel is set and secured in place by 2 corrugated nails at the top of the panel joint. The ETONG approved corrugated nails are permanently installed at every mortared joint to stabilize the panels against any incidental movement. Following the same procedure, the second jamb panel is installed and braced to the slab for additional stability and safety. The final piece, the lintel, is placed with mortar and secured with corrugated nails. The value panels shipped on pallets are easily separated by a pry bar to provide clearance when attaching the lifting clamp. Other excellent advantages included in the value panel system are precast garage lintel and jambs. First, the value panel team easily installs the precast garage jambs. The garage lintel will be the last item installed on the project. The garage jamb and lintel connection can be cast in the field or alternatively precast with sleeve anchor and dowels. Notice the appearance of the job site. Virtually no material waste is generated when using the ETONG value panel system. Because the value panel system minimizes the concrete forming and pouring on site, the need for inspection of the poured areas is also decreased.